Today we got Twin. Hey, Twin. And we got Goldie. And Goldie was here when I got home. Then Twin showed up. So we got sister. The two sisters. Hey, y'all. Y'all hungry? You look like you getting no bigger, Twin. Twin, why you look so little? Y'all hungry? It look like that food is good. Y'all eat it up. Eat it up. Y'all the only two here. Even though we got two more bowls filled up. Over here. But nobody else is here to eat. Only these two. Sister. Hey, sisters. Y'all happy? I know y'all happy to be eating that food. Goldie and Twin. Hey, Twin. Twin, can you lift your head up? I guess not until you finish that bowl. Goldie either. All right. Talk to y'all later. Bye.